Hello everybody, my name is Michael and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. In this video, I'll be demonstrating my most recent project, the ChromaPlot TLC or Thin Layer Chromatography / Paper Chromatography Simulator. Having a degree in human biology and a minor in chemistry, and having worked as a past laboratory instructor and undergraduate teaching fellow for the chemistry department at my university, I had many frequent run-ins with chromatography. A paper chromatography is a method of separating mixtures in which a strip of paper acts as a stationary phase and a solvent acts as a mobile phase that carries components at different rates based on their solubility and interactions with the paper or stationary phase. I wanted to use Python and more specifically NumPy and Matplotlib to demonstrate and actually simulate these experiments with programming. I did this by plotting various compounds upon the x-axis and having a solvent simulate dragging these compounds up through the medium, recreating a chromatography type of display. I wanted to challenge myself and develop this into a full stack environment where users can access and generate these plots on a web-based format via chromaplot.com. Students and educators will be able to generate these plots and also download them to their personal devices and view at later times. Let's go ahead and demonstrate. I'll go ahead and put in some simple compound names, and then I'll also put in various retention factors for these compounds with a value of 0 to 1. The retention factor or RF value is a ratio used in chromatography to quantify how far the compound travels across this stationary phase. In short, it's just a factor to describe the speed at which these compounds interact with A, the medium, and B, the solvent as they travel during this experiment. I will go ahead and put in some random RF values into these inputs. Now that we have all of our RFs entered, let's go ahead and run the simulation. Because this is being hosted on render.com under their free tier, the server does take quite a while to actually generate and load plots and serve them to the users. Alright, the plot just finished loading and was served back to us, and as you can see, the GIF and animation renders on that current page live. You can see the compounds traveling at their various retention factor rates compared to the solvent that moves across the y-axis. Higher retention factors travel at greater speeds, and compounds with lower RF, such as compound 3, you can see travels at a much slower rate. I created this animation using a sort of clumping type of algorithm to kind of mimic liquid traveling up the stationary phase. You can actually go ahead and download the plots to your device, then you can go ahead and open up those plots live and view them back in the future. I hope to further expand out this project to also incorporate simulations regarding spectroscopy and many other chemistry related subjects. I will note that there are error checks built in that will not allow you to generate plots with duplicate names and with missing RF values. The status will throw an error message and it will not generate plots. I learned a lot in building this project. I look forward to further compounding this project. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.